Hello everyone, welcome to Factech Automation. In this video, we are going to understand the asset tracking part. It means how we can track any field of checklist of any assets. Okay, just for example, if you want to just track the suppose track this asset and this ppm, and we track want to track this field current availability of fuel in the tank in liter. So how we can configure the same? Okay, let's start. Suppose we are going to add this as a asset tracking part. So the first step is to add their info. We need to click on the info part, then we need to click on the plus field so that we can create a new field, and then we click on the create new field, and then the name of the field you want. For example, I'm going to add dg1 diesel diesel in tank. Okay, and the input method is the number method, and then I'm just clicking on the create option and then click on the add option. So by doing this, we got a field dz1 diesel in tank. The next step is to map the particular instruction to this field. For example, I need to map this field like current availability of fuel in the tank in liters. I want to map this field to that dashboard part. So this is the option link to an asset field for tracking. We need to click on this. We get to know all the fields related to the same. So I just added dz1 diesel in the tank, and then we need to click. So I just map dz1 diesel in tank to this instruction current availability fuel in the tank. Okay, so what is the next step? Next step, we need to check by giving an example. Suppose a technician went there, and he or she doing the task, and they need to just click on this. You can see the dz1 diesel in tank already mapped. So someone went there and record the diesel level. Okay, so I'm just going to just show you some example and mark as complete. Again, someone went there and they are just filling the checklist related to the same. And suppose this time they have added 750. Okay, and they just completed their task. After the completion of the task, you just need to check the info part of the latest tracking. So I'm just going to click on the info, and then diesel in the tank 750, the latest one. This is the latest one. If you want to check the history, change history, just click on this option. You will see all the change history. I just added 900. I just added the 750 also. If you want a graphical presentation for the same, you just need to click on the visuals, and you will see the same into the graphical manner. Okay, 750, and firstly I added the 900. If you want to show only the delta value, that is the change value, then you need to click on the delta option to see the changes. Okay, the next, the same we can track through the to the dashboard also. Suppose again the diesel level change into the 600. Okay, uh, I am just giving this example without doing any work order completion. Okay, so we can just add such graphical graphs and delta graphs to the dashboard also. For this, we need to go to the main dashboard, and just we need to click on the dashboard, then edit option. And if you want to clone, then you can clone also. Then select the module, that asset and ppm, and select component. In the section, you need to click on the asset field tracker and then click on the value. Okay, and after clicking the value, just click on the save option. Okay, the next we need to do that, we go there and configure to the dashboard, the same part to the dashboard part. So this is the asset field tracker, and this is the setting option. We need to click on the setting option, and first we need to click select the asset. So our asset was asset tracking demo dz1, and the field we created is dz1 diesel intact. Okay, and we need to put some name like any name for your understanding, diesel in tank 1. Okay, and then we need to click on the save. Okay, now you can see all the relevant data related to the same. You can also select the date range for the better understanding. And after configuration, just refresh the system, just so that we can see the changes related to the same. Okay, I'm just showing you some data now. See, the first we recorded the 900, if you remember, then we recorded the 750, and through the info part we recorded the 600 also. You can also select the date range. Okay, and if you want to show the delta value only, so click on the setting option. Here is the option to show the delta, and then click on the save option. So now you can see only the changes value. Like first there are changes of about 150, and then again the changes of about 150. If you remembered, firstly we have added, just check this, firstly we have added 900 and then 750. So the difference of 150 and then 750 to 600, then the difference of 150 only. Okay, I'm going to explain some of the things in this dashboard. Diesel in the tank we need to configure, and we just configure. This is the asset name, that asset tracking demo dz1, this is the asset name. And dz1 diesel in tank is the field we created, and tracker we need to add by the system. Okay, by doing this, you can track any field of your assets, any field of your ppm schedule, to the dashboard or to the kaizen dashboard. This is the main dashboard, and this is the kaizen dashboard, and you can also see the history by clicking on this. Okay, thank you so much.